My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Theta Network, the biggest mistake which holders do this time. In this time 30 April, Theta holders do it this time one mistake, friends. So keep watching this video. I'm talking about the mistake whose the holders are doing it this time, friends. So if you are new on my channel, and kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you, and if you have any type of question, so please comment me. I will try to answer your question, friends. Now friends, let's start the video, friends. As you can see here now, first of all we do a prediction. After that we talk about the mistake which holders are doing at this time, friends. As you can see, the current price is 11.1 USD dollar is the current price of Theta Network. And if we talk about the price change goes, the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is positive, friends, of Theta Network, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart on the screen. As you can see here, friends, that is a live price prediction chart of Theta Network of the last 1 day, friends. If we look, the change occur in the Theta Network in the last 1 day, negative 0.75% negative change occur in Theta Network in the last 1 day. And if we talk about the highest price of the Theta Network, so 11.36 USD dollar is the highest price of the Theta Network in the last 1 day period, friends. And as you can see, the current price of Theta Network is 11.1 USD dollar, friends. Now in the last 1 day, approximately a 35%, 0.35 USD dollar falls occur in the Theta Network. And as you can see, they're falling down, but I think now this time they take a jump. But if you look the previous period of Theta Network, so they falls down. I think the 12 USD dollar falls down from to 11 USD dollar. So absolutely a big falls. You are in the loss, friends. So if you are a holder of Theta Network, so your mistake is that at this time, that as you know, it is the last day of a month. That is why a lot of people goes to sell it, friends. So please don't sell it at this time. It's not a selling time, friends. It's a hold time. You have to hold your coin, because now it's at this time everybody sell it, so the price or more and more falls down, friends. So you have to hold it, and you have to wait for a last next month. As you can see, you have to wait one May month, friends. Whole month you have to wait the next month, friends. So when they recover his price, when the price becomes again 12 or some 13 USD dollar, so I think it's the best time for you to sell it, friends, and take your profit, friends. Now you are in the loss, friends. If you sell it this time, so you are fully in the loss. And if you hold it and wait for a big jump, the big pump of Theta Network, so I hope in the future they also take a jump. So please wait for it. Don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell it at this time. You are in the loss, and wait for it. Soon they take a high jump and the price become high. So please now this time when the price become high, at this time you can sell your coin, friends. What's your opinion about Theta Network? Please share in the comment box, friends, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.